The top 1% don't just have more money, they think about it differently. While most people check their balance, hoping it's enough for groceries, the wealthy sleep peacefully knowing exactly where every dollar's going. Today, I'll show you the budgeting system that separates them from everyone else. Meet Sarah and Michael. Both make $50,000 a year. Sarah feels rich for 3 days after payday, then ends the month broke and stressed. Michael invests 20%, has 6 months of expenses saved, and still enjoys guilt-free fun money. Same income, totally different life. Why? Michael uses a system designed for freedom, not survival. Poor people budget to survive. The wealthy budget to thrive. They see a budget not as restrictions, but as permission slips to spend, save, invest, and have fun. Second shift, they pay themselves first. Savings and investing come before bills. Third, they automate everything. No willpower required. Money moves itself. The tool is the 50-30-20 rule. Wealthy addition, 50% needs, only essentials, housing, food, transport, insurance. If you're over 50%, you may need to adjust lifestyle or income. 30% wants a strategic lifestyle money, dining out, hobbies, travel, even that daily coffee. Fun is built in to prevent burnout. 20% wealth, savings and investments, money that disappears before you even see it. Say you earn $3,000 per month after taxes. Step 1, $600, 20%. Automatically moves to wealth accounts, emergency fund, retirement, investing. Step 2, fixed expenses, auto pay, rent, utilities, insurance. Step 3, what's left splits into 2 accounts, necessities and fun. When the fun account's empty, you're done for the month. No stress, no guilt. Jennifer earns $3,000 after tax. Needs, 50% equals $1,500. Rent, $800. Groceries, $300. Transport, $200. Insurance, $100. Phone, $50. Utilities, $50. Wants, 30% equals $900. Dining, $300. Entertainment, $200. Hobbies, $150. Personal, $100. MISC, $150. Wealth, 20% equals $600. $200 to emergency fund, $200 to $50 retirement, $100 to $50 investing. In 10 years, that's $600 a month grows to over $100,000 invested, while she still enjoys $900 a month guilt-free. This is why fun money matters. Restriction without release equals rebellion. The wealthy build fun into the plan so they stick with it. When it's gone, it's gone. No swiping the credit card, just this once. That discipline builds real freedom. With a raise, increased wealth percentage before lifestyle. Track net worth monthly, not just bank balance. Review quarterly and adjust as life changes. Try this system for 30 days. Automate, follow the percentages and feel the difference. The only gap between you and a millionaire isn't income. It's the system. Now you have it. Will you use it? Comment your biggest budgeting challenge below and hit subscribe because next week I'll show you how to invest that 20% like the pros.